Ayon sa World Economic Forum, two of the most essential competencies na kailangan para maging smooth sailing at successful ang work-life balance natin sa kahit anong organisasyon ay ang emotional intelligence at innovation. Kaya naman ngayong araw ay may makakwentuhan tayong advocate at certified practitioner ng emotional intelligence para ipaliwanag sa atin kung paano ito ma-achieve within the organization. Please welcome to Kada Umaga ang Chief Operating Officer ng Emovation Incorporated, Ms. Ruby Manyala. Hello, Ms. Ruby. Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome to Kada Umaga.
Thank
Please
you.
have a seat. Okay. Big words, Miss Ruby. Kailangan
Oo nga.
natin ito himay-himayin para mas
Sige.
maintindihan ng ating mga kada. Ano po muna itong sinasabi nating emotional intelligence?
Emotional intelligence, di ba meron tayong sinasabi lagi, IQ. Di ba? Yung matalino ka, marami kang alam. Ang emotional intelligence, matalino ka in the way you handle your emotions so that you can come up with better decisions, behavior, and performance. Alam naman natin, yung emotions natin, dinadala tayo to so many things, our impulse, bila tayo magagalit o magdi-decide. So, minsan, kailangan talaga natin, sabi nga, to be smart with our emotions.
Yun. At paano naman po makakatulong ang Emovation sa pagiging mas matalino natin when it comes to managing our emotions sa ating mga company, sa ating offices,
Kahit sa personal na buhay.
kahit sa lalo na sa personal na
Yes,
buhay.
exactly.
Tama. Oo. Paano po kayo nakakatulong doon?
Well, there are so many ways to help in increasing your emotional intelligence that can help your personal and of course professional lives. May counseling kami, may coaching, meron din kaming tinatawag na GENOS Emotional Intelligence Assessments. Meron din kaming mga programs for different organizations in leadership and in managing teams, relationships, and communication within the organization. In other words, how to increase your emotional intelligence. Pia, if I may say, no, ang IQ kasi, pag at the age of 20, set na yan. If your IQ is at 110, hindi na yan magde-develop. It is a fixed capacity.
Ito naman yung intellectual quotient natin.
Yes.
Which is, paano po natin na-distinguish yung IQ sa EQ?
Ang IQ is based on data,
Okay.
logic,
Oo.
yung mga napag-aralan natin, the way our mind works, no? Ang emotional quotient is more of value, reason, ginagaya nga siya ng artificial intelligence, no? Hindi kayang gayahin ang emotional intelligence ng artificial intelligence because this is where our values comes, our morals, our priorities, and our decision making.
And our feelings.
Our feelings.
Na wala ang AI.
Yes, wala ang
Yung IQ
artificial
pwede
yan.
niyang kopyahin eh.
Exactly.
Pero
Kaya,
yung EQ.
nagiging number one ang EQ.
Oo. Ito, napaka-importante niya, no, Miss Ruby? Can you give us examples kung paano magiging pitfall ng isang tao in a professional setting,
Oo.
yung pagkawala niya ng emotional intelligence?
Okay. Perfect example, no, maraming ngayon, no, ng mga job seekers or applicants or even nandun na sa workplace, tapos mahirapan lang, nagkaroon ng challenge sa colleagues or sa boss, nagre-resign.
Oo.
Nagre-resign. And it's resiliency, yung pagkakaroon mo ng, okay, I'll stay in the job even if it's challenging, mahirap man yung boss ko kausap or yung mga colleagues ko, I'll stay in the job because you should be able to manage your emotions. Yung iba, yun lang, ayoko na, magre-resign na ako. So that's one of the ways that you can see how emotional intelligence works. Sabi nga, no, sa LinkedIn, yan, yung mga careers, di ba?
Yes.
You're familiar with LinkedIn, di ba
Yes,
tayo?
yes.
Sabi ng LinkedIn sa isang study, isang research, IQ gets you the job. Importante IQ eh.
Okay.
It's the functional and technical competency.
Yes.
But EQ makes you a star and that is the reason why you get promoted. Because it's about relationships. It's about understanding people. It's about managing people. After all, every organization, the most important component are their people. Yon. That's why it's
Pero ano
important.
to, no, Miss Ruby, two-pronged to, no? You mentioned emotional intelligence, but innovation, sabi ng
Yes.
World Economic Forum, kailangan sabayan ng innovation. Paano naman,
True.
how do they work hand in hand?
Okay. Emotional intelligence makes you adaptable, flexible. So in other words, you accept change. Remember no pandemic, no? Grabe yung experience na yun. Then everybody was just online, online selling, online delivery, lahat nag-online. If you are not able to adapt, maiiwan ka.
Tama.
Oo. So pag mataas ang EI mo, you're able to reinvent yourself,
That's right.
adapt. For example, even sa personal, no, yung parang noon, ng bata ko, now I'm almost retiring. So you're able to reinvent yourself even through any stages in life. Malalaki na yung mga anak ko. So instead na mag-empty nest ka, no, emptiness is not emptiness.
Yes.
You begin to realize what else can I do? I'll adapt, I'll change. So yun yung biggest factor, the ability to adapt, to be resilient, to be able to change dun sa needs ng times.
Pivot, di ba? Yan yung usong-usong
No,
word.
yes, perfect
Nung
word.
pandemic, kung paano mag-pivot, di ba?
Exactly,
At
true.
saka nakakatulong din to sa overall emotional health natin, di ba? Kasi
Yeah.
when you're emotionally intelligent, hindi ka nagpapadala sa stress.
Yes.
You can manage it better. Tapos, you don't think negative right away. Di ba po?
Tsaka yung anger. No,
Anger management.
Anger
That's
management.
part of it. Empathy, di ba?
Empathy, yon, tama. You begin to really relate well
Parang-
to other people.
Oo, kung may masungit sa office ninyo,
Okay.
mag-empathize ka na lang, baka may pinagdaraanan.
Yes, so true.
Kung hindi ka emotionally intelligent, baka awayin mo pa yun.
Yes, exactly. Yan.
Patataray mo, gano'n,
Oo.
di ba?
Tapos gulo na. Sinugod mo agad, no? Hindi ko nakaka-relate kayo dyan, no?
Napakahalaga pala nito,
So you
Miss
stop.
Ruby. Because,
Super.
why did you put up this company? Did you, for sure, you saw the need. Ano po ba ang naranasan ninyo at ito po'y, you got this brainchild for innovation?
Kasi our company, 25th year namin this year. So lagi kaming new in technology, mga assessments online. We're always doing something about technology, but we realized, no, all throughout our consulting different firms, no, we have more than 300 organizations that we're still partners with, no, both public and private. We realized that there are two main challenges in the organization. One is technical, which is easier to solve, di ba? Yung babaguhin mo yung system mo, digital or whatever it is, platforms. The other is people.
Oo.
Ang nangyayari sa mga organizations, they put a premium on the technical.
Yes.
Yon. Pero yung people, challenges, naiiwan.
Tama.
But 65% pala ng challenges is people.
Wow.
That's why we decided to make it a balance. Kasi hindi pwedeng task-oriented ka lang, dapat people-oriented. So that's the balance. So we have to commit to the balance because we're serving people. So we came up with emotional intelligence with our partner from Australia, which is Genos.
Ito, Miss Ruby, bibigyan kita ng challenge.
Sige.
Kapag may marites sa opisina,
Oo.
if you're emotionally intelligent, ano po ang dapat gawin mo dun sa nagmamarites sa'yo?
Una-una, wag mo munang patulan si Marisol, yung nagsusulsol.
O yung nagbalita sa'yo na
Nagbalita
minamarites
sa'yo
ka?
na minamarites ka, makinig ka lang, and then you have to weigh. Ano ba, kung sa tingin mo hindi mo pa siya kayang kausapin, wag muna. Parang, kumbaga, if you're emotionally intelligent, okay, here's the data given to you ni Marites, ilagay mo muna sa bulsa. Sayang naman yung energy natin. Ngayon, pag okay ka naman, you just talk to the person one-on-one, wag tataasan ng boses. Sabi nga, before you hold a grudge, hold a conversation.
Okay.
Kumbaga, go straight to the person, be assertive, tell them, ask them if it's true. If it's true, why? If it's not, then settled. Huwag niyong susugurin in a bad temper. Kasi nakikita mo minsan sa office, oy, may sinabi ka daw, ganyan-ganyan. So don't go in a bad temper. If you can do some breathing exercises or count up to 10, that is scientifically proven na yung anger, chemicals bababa. 10, up to 10 lang.
Aha.
And
Eto
then
pa,
think more clearly about the situation.
paano naman yung yung boss na talagang everyday, talagang yun yung kinakasira ng araw mo. Paano naman yun, Miss Ruby? How do you solve that emotionally intelligently?
Oo,
Tama yun?
no? May mga boss that are really sobrang overbearing. They give you too much pressure. Tapos unclear yung mga roles mo, ganyan. Tas lagi ka nalang mali.
Oo. Paano po yan sinisolve in an emotionally intelligent way?
Well, we always say sa emotional intelligence, there are some things you cannot control. You cannot control how your boss will behave, will react, or will respond, but you can control your own self. You can control how to behave, how to react, how to manage yung emotion ng boss mo. Be the bigger person. But of course, if you cannot take it, there are other options.
Such
I would
as?
say. Well, such as siguro having a talk, to HR, to your boss, if they're ready and open about the situation. Yon. If not, if really it's taking a toll on your personal life, on your mental health, it's okay to say goodbye.
Ayun.
Kasi meron akong na kino-consult, kino-coach, no? Talagang nagkakaroon ng effect on her mental health.
Aha.
Yung boss niya. So, kung talagang dumating na sa point na hindi niya nakaya, you can always say goodbye. Kasi it could just be the boss or the culture of the organization. Then you have to take yourself out physically, out of the situation.
So, these programs, Miss Ruby, are open for individuals, pwedeng personal development lang nila, or pwedeng buong company, ganyan, mag-subscribe dun sa mga programs ninyo po.
Yes, that's true. May mga individuals who also get certified, no? With the Genus Emotional Intelligence. And then may organizations, like right now we're working with an organization from bottom up. They are prescribing the emotional intelligence program for everyone in their organization to create a harmonious relationship, dynamism, and create wellness and well-being as well.
And paano naman po nabago ninyo, nung mga programs ninyo, yung mga companies na tinutulungan ninyo?
In one organization, meron kaming tinatawag na motions and emotions team building. No, kasi emotions has that magic that creates instant connection. Kasi sabi nga, no, before the team building, sabi daw ng mga participants, we're not going to open up kahit anong mangyari. Because there was conflict in their relationships and people were already saying, I'm not gonna open myself up. But when we started talking about emotions, completely nagbago ang lahat. Oo. And so the country manager was telling me, I now feel I have a team that's more open, that's more honest, and now willing to work with me in a more honest way.
Kasi minsan nakikita ko rin sa mga corporate culture, parang pag may problema, everybody talks about it except to the people.
Concerned.
Bakit
Exactly.
ganun? Bakit tayo lang nag-uusap dito? Wala namang mangyayari.
That's so true, Pia. You're so
Oo.
correct. I mean, sabi ko nga, huwag kayong mag-meeting after the meeting.
Oo.
Di ba pag meeting, meron ba kayong gusto sabihin? Do you have any
Wala.
suggestions? Wala. Tapos after the meeting, doon nagkikwentuhan. Your voices will not be heard.
Tama. And
It's
it will
during
not
the
help things change.
Exactly.
Di ba po? So
Oo.
nakikita ko po dito na so you have assessments, and then you have learning and development programs.
True.
Tapos may certification after you go through the program. Pero meron din kayong coaching.
Yes, we
so,
do.
Eventually, they can do the emotional intelligence coaching themselves.
Yes, or meron akong client na one-on-one, we do coaching.
Oo.
Kasi parang lipat siya ng lipat ng work, and that's coming from an emotional point of view. No? Kasi, just to clarify, walang bad or good emotions. So sinasabi natin, anger is bad, sadness is bad. Hindi. An emotion is just an emotion until you decide to act on it. Diba parang galit ako ngayon, pero wala naman akong ginawa sa anger ko. It's alright. it's valid to be angry. Galit ako ngayon, binato ko si ma'am. Ma'am, biro lang, ng cellphone.
Aray ko.
Di ba? Then, I acted on my emotion. That's what makes it bad.
Netizens, for more Kada Umaga updates, i-click lamang po ang subscribe button at i-follow ang Net25 social media pages on YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok at pati na rin ang Net25 TV.